guys, Billyotipster here in Deutschtech. So obviously this car is great, but it sounds shit. That's why I came here. I need to do remap stage 1, exhaust, and that will be it. Let's go.
So we have Billyotipster's GLC63S in today. The car has covered less than 400 miles. He's brought it straight to us for a bit of Deutschtech magic. So we're going to be doing downpipes and a remap. This one's a little bit different. He wants it crazy loud, but not crazy loud. But doesn't want it quiet, but doesn't want it too loud. So it's going to be a bit of fun making that happen. So first things first, I'm going to read the file off the car, get that sent off, then strip the downpipes. They're a bit of a difficult one. They're very limited on space with these. You've got the OPFs and the cats in the downpipes, so I'll be stripping them out and then start building. Stripped out. As you can see, there's a fair bit of room in there now. Well, I say that, there's a lot of room up the top, but to get down the side to the gearbox, it's a little more intricate. So now we're going to start building off the flanges and then make our way down. Once we're about halfway down, I'll put a joint in it so that they're easily removed, and then we'll just build to the underneath pieces to join it to its current center section. Then we can put it all back together. Sounds nice and simple, but get back to me in a few hours.
I don't have words. It's too savage. That's crazy. Crazy, fucking crazy. Okay, let me listen. Big shout out to Deutschtech. Amazing work. I've never seen that before. I don't know what to say. Cheers, guys.
So you're just normal.
Yeah, no.
Put it into sport mode.
Oh, that's savage. Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Savage! 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 Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, guys, what did they do? Deutschtech. Deutschtech. Bro, that's so good, so good! Bro, that was exactly what I wanted. Exactly, that's, oh my god, oh my god. Perfect. Perfect. Wow. Yo, that's mad, that's mad.